Introduction to Transportation Engineering. Transportation engineering is a specialized branch of civil engineering that focuses on the planning, design, operation, and maintenance of transportation systems and infrastructure. Its primary goal is to ensure the safe, efficient, and sustainable movement of people and goods from one place to another. Transportation engineers work on a wide range of projects, including roads, highways, bridges, railways, airports, transit systems, and more. Here are some key aspects of transportation engineering. 1. Planning and design. Transportation engineers are involved in the planning and design of transportation networks and infrastructure. They determine the layout of roads, highways, intersections, and public transit systems to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and enhance safety. 2. Traffic engineering. Traffic engineers study traffic patterns and behavior to develop strategies for managing traffic congestion, improving road safety, and optimizing the use of roadways. This may involve the design of traffic signals, signage, and intelligent transportation systems (ITS) that use technology to control and monitor traffic. 3. Public transit. Transportation engineers work on the design and planning of public transit systems, including buses, trams, subways, and commuter rail systems. They aim to provide efficient and accessible public transportation options to reduce reliance on private vehicles and alleviate traffic congestion. 4. Roadway design. They design roadways and highways with a focus on factors such as alignment, grades, lane widths, and pavement materials to ensure safe and efficient travel. They also consider the needs of pedestrians and cyclists. 5. Bridge engineering. Bridge engineers specialize in designing and maintaining bridges and other transportation structures. They ensure that these structures are safe and can withstand various loads and environmental conditions. 6. Transportation safety. Safety is a critical aspect of transportation engineering. Engineers work to identify and mitigate potential hazards on roadways and implement safety measures to protect travelers, such as guardrails, lighting, and traffic calming measures. 7. Environmental considerations. Transportation engineers are increasingly focused on sustainability and environmental impact. They seek to minimize the environmental footprint of transportation projects by considering factors like emissions, noise, and ecological preservation. 8. Transportation modeling. Engineers use computer models and simulations to analyze and predict traffic flow, travel patterns, and the impact of transportation projects. These models help in making informed decisions about infrastructure investments. 9. Maintenance and rehabilitation. Maintaining and rehabilitating existing transportation infrastructure is a significant part of transportation engineering. Engineers assess the condition of roads, bridges, and other assets and plan for repairs and upgrades. 10. Urban planning. In urban areas, transportation engineers collaborate with urban planners to integrate transportation systems into overall city planning. This includes considerations for land use, zoning, and transit-oriented development. Transportation engineering plays a vital role in supporting economic development, improving quality of life, and addressing challenges such as traffic congestion and pollution. It requires a multidisciplinary approach, involving civil engineering principles, urban planning, traffic management, and technology to create safe and efficient transportation systems for communities.